Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So yesterday I posted a video about Siobhan Winghall, who is an 18-year-old Jamaican, meaning he is a Jamaican but he resides in America, that went missing. And now today I've seen that a Canadian is missing. And with Wignall was staying at his family's house in Jamaica, but with this Canadian, he's in a all-inclusive. A lot of Jamaicans are saying, like, even though that Jamaica isn't safe, I always go to Jamaica, but I go and stay in an all-inclusive because it's more safer, and the all-inclusive hotels are going to make sure their clients are safe because they don't want to put their reputation and their brand in jeopardy. But are these all-inclusive as safe as we think? Because this man was staying at an all-inclusive and now he has popped up missing. A Canadian 30-year-old Ailive McDonald of North Service Road, Grimbsy in North America country, who was staying at a hotel in Rose Hall, St. James, have been missing since Tuesday, October 16th. McDonald is of brown complexion, stout build with a large neck tattoo. He is about 193 centimeters, 6 feet 4 inches tall. Reports from the Barrett-town police is that McDonald was last seen at about 8:16 p.m. wearing a white t-shirt and a pants. All efforts to contact him since then have been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Ailive McDonald is being asked to contact the Barrett-town police at 876-953-7899, the police at 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. So this is a Canadian that was staying at a hotel in Rose Hall, St. James. And the possibilities of his whereabouts or what could have happened to him are endless at this point. I said it with Wignall. It's the same thing with him. Most Jamaicans or Jamaicans that live in Jamaica can spot a Yankee or a American or a Canadian or British person a mile away. So that leaves them at the hands of predators. And if you're not careful in Jamaica, you can become a prey very, very easily. Quite frankly, I thought that I was in the notion that these all-inclusive are going to make sure that their clients or their visitors are safe, because one of our subscribers told us that they went to Jamaica recently and they had a good time, but they felt like they were too much security around them at all times. They felt like they were a prisoner in their all-inclusive hotel, and I felt like that's them being more safe than sorry, because they don't want anything to happen to their visitors or to their guests. But I guess not all of the all-inclusive hotels in Jamaica has been compacting their security and making sure all their guests are accounted for, all their guests are knowing the dangers of what's going on in Jamaica as far as crime is concerned. So that goes to show that not all the all-inclusive hotels in Jamaica are safe. Not all of them has as tight of security as some. But quite honestly, if this is actually true, he's missing, and if he is found dead, this is going to be a very, very bad look on Jamaica as far as tourism is concerned. Well, maybe not tourism, because last year we have 1,616 murders and tourism was booming still. But 2 consecutive incidents that have happened so far I think is gonna put a damper on Jamaica tourism sector. The first one being the rape of the two women from the US, Detroit, and that will definitely put a damper on the tourism in Jamaica, because not even in the hotels that we think we're safe, we're not safe. And even when you go and thinking that, okay, I'm not gonna have any men around, but it's gonna be a girls trip and I'm gonna have fun, and you have somebody, a partner, you still can become a prey. Now this Canadian man is missing. If he actually turns up dead, and I'm hoping he's not, I'm hoping he's just somewhere having fun, having his best old time. But with the way Jamaica is, anytime someone comes up missing, 9 out of 10 times my thought process is they're dead. Sorry to say it, but that's where my mind goes to. My mind always goes to the negative, which is sad, but that's just the reality of Jamaica. If you think about it, 9 out of 10 times if somebody is missing, then 9 out of 10 times they come up dead. And I hope this is not the case with this Canadian, because remember early last year they put out, Canada, US and England put out a statement to their residents and their citizens that they need to be careful when they're going to Jamaica and cautious. So if he comes up missing or dead at anything, like, this is definitely going to be a cause for concern, and England, Canada and the USA are probably going to put out another warning for their residents and for anybody that wants to go to Jamaica. This is definitely not a good look for Jamaica. It's not a good look for our tourism sector, and it's definitely not a good look for the hotel sector. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this. Do you think he's still alive? Do you think that there's a possibility that he's dead? Because 9 out of 10 times people that come up missing in Jamaica always end up dead. It's the truth. Do you think that the tourism sector will be affected if he actually comes up dead, with the two incidents that we have seen back to back, with the rape and now this? Do you think that it's going to damper Jamaica's tourism sector? It's going to reduce the amount of visitors that come this year, especially December that's coming up, and a lot of people go to Jamaica in December? What do you guys think? And also, do you think that the all-inclusive are safe, or as safe as we thought? Because this man was staying in an all-inclusive and he turned up missing, which is crazy to me. Comment what your thoughts are on this story. Comment what your experience has been. Also, if you went to Jamaica recently and if you stayed in an all-inclusive, and if you felt like you were a prisoner, or you felt like they were overdoing the security measures, or what. Comment all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'm going to talk about Canada legalizing marijuana. So let's get into the next video. Deuces.